For over 150 years, A.Y. McDonald Manufacturing Company has been the leader in the pump, plumbing, natural gas, and waterworks industries. Back in 1856, the legendary A.Y. McDonald founded the company with a straightforward philosophy. We will make good products and sell them honestly, and we've been doing it ever since. Having already revolutionized uninterrupted flow with the release of the 6410 bypass meter bar, A.Y. McDonald has done it again with the 6312 manifold bypass meter bar. Not only does the innovative design of the 6312 make the exchange of multiple meters at apartment buildings, stores, and commercial complexes easier to service than ever before, its attractive and compact design will save you space. With no loss of pilot lights, no interruption to gas flow, no follow-up service calls, and no hassles, the 6312 bypass bar saves you both time and money. And the 6312 bypass bar gives you the ability to change out meters at any time of the year. A.Y. McDonald's unique solution takes away the need for additional hoses, regulators, bottles, or special tools that our competitors require. All you need are a couple of wrenches. The bypass meter bar is designed with two custom-made valves, the inlet and the outlet. This design allows for continuous flow during the changeout or meter service. That means your gas supply is always ready and regulated to the correct pressure. The meter bar's easy-to-use valve system is specifically designed to utilize standard industry barrel locks, so you'll never have to worry about theft. The 6312 manifold bypass meter bar makes servicing meters easier, quicker, and more cost-efficient than ever. Let's take a look. While still in normal flow mode, install your pressure gauge to monitor customer pressure. The inlet valve is set to position 3, and the outlet valve is set to position 4, as can be seen by the port openings that are indicated by the head of the valve and the arrows. In this mode, gas flows into the bar, through the meter, and out to the customer. To begin the changeout and to put the meter in bypass mode, first use your barrel lock key to unlock the valves and remove the barrel locks. Second, turn the outlet valve 90 degrees counterclockwise so the arrow is pointing to position 1. You can do this with any standard crescent wrench. Here, gas is still flowing into the meter, but it is also flowing directly into the customer piping through the bypass bar. Next, we have to stop the gas flowing into the meter. Turn the inlet valve 90 degrees clockwise so the arrow on the valve is set on position 2. This stops the gas from flowing into the meter. At this point, both the arrows should be pointing upwards to position 2 and position 1. Gas is now flowing through the bar to the customer piping and is in bypass mode. Now you can drop the old meter and perform the changeout. Once you have the new meter set in place, hand tighten the inlet meter nut nice and snug. Then tighten the nut on the meter outlet just a couple of threads. Next, you must purge the air out of the new meter. To purge, slowly turn the inlet valve counterclockwise 45 degrees until the valve head check wing is even with the purge position indicator. You'll notice the half cubic foot dial begins to turn. This means that gas is now entering the meter and safely pushing out the air inside. We recommend purging between 20 and 30 seconds. As a safety precaution, do not purge in a confined space. Once the meter is purged, you'll need to fully tighten both meter nuts. Now we need to resume normal flow mode. The next step is to turn the inlet valve 45 degrees counterclockwise so it is set on position 3. Gas now flows in both directions, into the meter and through the bypass bar. Finally, we must turn the outlet valve 90 degrees clockwise so it is set on position 4, bringing us back to normal flow mode to the customer. Now just reinstall the barrel locks. It's that easy, and you've never interrupted flow to the customer. The 6312 series manifold bypass meter bar. A full flow bypass system that makes sense. No interruption in service. No reduction in flow capacity. No loss of pilot lights. You can change out meters anytime, 12 months a year. There's no need for additional hoses, regulators, or special tools. Your gas supply will always be ready and regulated to the correct pressure. No more scheduling service calls or relights. Safe, fast, and secure. The 6312 manifold bypass meter bar from A.Y. McDonald, saving you space, time, and money. Quite simply, it's the most cost-effective bypass meter bar system available. Making good products and selling them honestly for over 150 years. The A.Y. McDonald Manufacturing Company. For more information, go to www.aymcdonald.com or call 1-800-292-2737.